What's up, bro? So, I got myself a nice little pro bike tool, tire pew pew, aka CO2 inflator. My main concern was this lever here. I wasn't sure if it was gonna stay nice and tight in my bag, but I was pleasantly surprised with how much effort is needed to actually open the valve. As for assembling, any monkey can do it. It's not complicated. Just get yourself some cartridges. This one fits the 16 gram. Make sure you point the nozzle away from you as you insert the cartridge, unless you enjoy having frostbite. I do believe the torque spec is good and tight. It's a very tight fit to get over the cartridge, so I decided to give it a little poof poof. Froze the cartridge enough that I was able to get it on there good and tight. Little pew pew for good measure. I went with this inflator because it matches my bike pump. Decent quality, really good machined aluminum. And everything fits nice and snug into my Wild Man sandwich bag. I can keep it in my backpack if I want for those really hot days. In case it explodes, I'll get a nice little gust of air conditioning. Thanks for watching.